Hi, this is Isha here with our backyard to farm transformation. Today we're building an owl box. I looked up a bunch of different plans on the internet and came up with our best idea. So we're gonna cut it and I'll show some footage of the finished product. Thanks.
The first step was to draw all the different pieces on all the scrap plywood that we had and then chop it up with a skill saw. This is one of my first woodworking projects, but I think I'm getting the hang of using it. Then we screwed and glued it all together on this little sawhorse station that I put together. And we got a little bit confused as to what's the front, what's the back, because we thought the roof line would go towards the front like on a house, but it actually goes to towards the back, towards the tree or the pole that you hang it on. So we got it all together, and I think it turned out really nice. Here it is up in the tree. Not bad for the first woodworking project. I put a little shingled roof on top of it to give it a little bit more weatherproofing, and hopefully owls will come soon and start eating our gophers.